Alexandrieva AP, 1 month after a judge declared Google's search engine an illegal monopoly, the tech giant faces another antitrust lawsuit that threatens to break up the company, this time over its advertising technology. The Justice Department, joined by a coalition of states, and Google each made opening statements Monday to a federal judge in Alexandria, Virginia, who will decide whether Google holds a monopoly over online advertising technology. The regulators contend that Google built, acquired, and maintains a monopoly over the technology that matches online publishers to advertisers. Dominance over the software on both the buy side and the sell side of the transaction enables Google to keep as much as 36 cents on the dollar when it brokers sales between publishers and advertisers, the government contends. They allege that Google also controls the ad exchange market, which matches the buy side to the sell side. One monopoly is bad enough, but a trifecta of monopolies is what we have here, Justice Department lawyer Julia Tarver Wood said during her opening statement. Google says the government's case is based on an internet of yesteryear, when desktop computers ruled and internet users carefully typed precise World Wide Web addresses into URL fields. Advertisers now are more likely to turn to social media companies like TikTok or streaming TV services like Peacock. In her opening statement, Google lawyer Karen Dunn likened the government's case to a time capsule with a BlackBerry, an iPod, and a Blockbuster video card. Dunn said Supreme Court precedents warn judges about the serious risk of error or unintended consequences when dealing with rapidly emerging technology and considering whether antitrust law requires intervention. She also warned that any action taken against Google won't benefit small businesses but will simply allow other tech behemoths like Amazon, Microsoft, and TikTok to fill the void. According to Google's annual reports, revenue has actually declined in recent years for Google Networks, the division of the Mountain View, California-based tech giant that includes such services as AdSense and Google Ad Manager that are at the heart of the case, from $31.7 billion in 2021 to $31.3 billion in 2023. The case will now be decided by U.S. District Judge Leonie Brinkema, who is best known for high-profile terrorism trials, including that of September 11 defendant Zacarias Moussaoui. Brinkema also has experience with highly technical civil trials, working in a courthouse that sees an outsized number of patent infringement cases. The Virginia case comes on the heels of a major defeat for Google over its search engine. A judge in the District of Columbia declared the search engine a monopoly maintained in part by tens of billions of dollars Google pays each year to companies like Apple to lock in Google as the default search engine presented to consumers when they buy iPhones and other gadgets. And in December, a judge declared Google's Android App Store a monopoly in a case brought by a private gaming company. In the search engine case, the judge has not yet imposed any remedies. The government hasn't offered its proposed sanctions, though there could be close scrutiny over whether Google should be allowed to continue to make exclusivity deals that ensure its search engine is consumers' default option. Peter Coven, a professor of management practice at Babson College, said the Virginia case could potentially be more harmful to Google because the obvious remedy would be requiring it to sell off parts of its ad tech business that generate billions of dollars in annual revenue. Divestitures are definitely a possible remedy for this second case, Cohen said. It could be potentially more significant than initially meets the eye. Google is also facing intensifying pressure over its ad tech business across the Atlantic. British competition regulators last week accused the company of abusing its dominance in the country's digital ad market and giving preference to its own services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more news updates. Hit subscribe for the latest news.